Hello Options Edge, Sell High here, just doing a quick video to explain our internals chart. I'm just going to run through what each one of these tickers here means and sort of talk a little bit about what they are. And then I'm going to show you how, if you want to get these codes in your Thinkorswim platform, we have options for that. So we'll jump right in with the dollar futures index up here on the left. It's a measure of the value of the dollar versus a basket of currencies. You just put that in as DX on yours and that will come up. I have 1 hour candles on this one. Next one over is the VIX. You all probably kind of familiar with this. It rises when put option buying increases and falls when call buying activity is more robust. It's supposed to be a measure of volatility going forward. Next up is the bond stock ratio. This one is a bit more complicated as far as the code goes, but if you want to get in yours, you can find that in the documents section of our members dashboard. You see that right here, bond stock ratio code. Just input that into your ThinkScript and it'll come up. This blue line here is actually a ratio of SPX versus the 10-year note, and this red line is the 65 period moving average. Sort of as a rule of thumb, you say when it's trading over this, things might be in a bear market, but it's not exactly like that. Come in the chat room and we'll discuss it. Everybody likes to talk about the bond stock ratio. Next up, we just have some more bonds. The ZB and ZF are respectively the 30-year, that's one right here, and the 5-year, that's this one right here. Down here is the tick chart, New York Stock Exchange tick chart. I've got 1 minute candles going back a day. If the tick reads plus 200 as an example, kind of how this works, that means 200 more stocks are ticking up than down. So it's like a snapshot measure of how trading is happening right now in the market. Next up, these three are our commodities. We've got our gold futures, our light sweet crude oil futures, and our copper futures. These are all 1 minute candles. Here again, we're looking at snapshots of intraday. Last up is the advancers, decliners. This is S&P market breadth. These are supposed to be measures of institutional buying and selling. I should say that none of these things by themselves should inform your decision to trade. If you're new, don't take a position just because the VIX is doing one thing or the dollar is doing one thing. It's all about their interaction. I'm also going to show you guys before I go one more thing. This is the volume data sector that Learjet likes to tweet out. You can see here we've got our volume and our ATRs are updated. If you want to get this in your Thinkorswim platform, we have those codes here to add to your custom watch lists. It's pretty neat. I look at this constantly. All right, that's all I'm going to do here for now. That's just a quick overview. We're going to come out with another video to kind of use this, talk about how everybody in the chat room and all the professional traders make sense of it. I'm going to stop there, but shoot me any questions if you have them. Twitter, website. Thanks.